Hey guys, hope you're well. This is a very common problem everyone face while working on n8n. When you're developing the automation in n8n and you're working with nodes, you face an error like, let's say in fourth node, you will have to run the whole scenario again to fetch the data, as there is no map data from the. You can see the data is empty, but you can change this thing like in this way, like I am guiding you. You just have to run the data first time. After first time, let's say I update the row, and the data will be here. So here you go, and from here you can just pin the data like this, and this data will be saved. Whether you're working on a fourth node or on your 14th node, you can just like fetch that data uh, from from here, because it was pinned. Now you can drag and drop and map the data. So yeah, let me know if this is useful, and if you have any other problem, just ping me on my WhatsApp or on my Gmail. Thank you.